morning come, you bitches ain't humble enough. When the morning come, when the morning come, wake me up. When the morning come, when the morning come, when the morning come. These fake ass bitches is done, so wake me up urgently.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Ashley Apollo here to review this damn hair. Okay, getting to her. Shake, bitch. Okay, let's go get to her. This hair is bomb as fuck, y'all. Let me get a little closer because I don't think y'all heard. Girl, strippers' asses don't even shake like this, bitch. Okay, let's be clear. This hair is so fucking bomb, bitch. I'm walking up to all you hoes just, hey, maid. I see you got on your maid outfit like you always do. Ain't that what you clean with? Yeah, understand. Cause I'm the bundle bitch, the bundle bitch, the bundle bitch, the bundle bitch. Ow! I'm gonna be reviewing this hair. This hair is from Hairvivi.com. This is the packaging, so it came in this cute little box. And this is like a real cute box because I was talking it was a pair of shoes. Bitch thought it was a pair of Louboutins. But I bought it some bitch the way they got this motherfucking thing. The little bow and she beach. But it's cute as fuck. And then, you know, if you can see, Hairvivi. So hoes, don't forget where the fuck you get your hair from. Period. Then they give you this cute little courtesy card, which is so cute. I thought I was getting a prom invitation, girl. Just so cute. Hairvivi, her hair, she loves you back. Okay, my bitch love me back, bitch. Okay, that's cute. And then they got a little white girl wearing a wig cap for you. You know, get your little wig on, whatever. And as you can see, I don't really use this because she white. My skin ain't that light. Yeah. Whew. Let's get into the stats of this hair. So this hair is a front lace wig, okay? Wig it up. Wig. Buy wig. Buy wig. This hair is Brazilian, okay? Virgin Brazilian. 1B natural hair color. Brown. You know, give it a brown. Want some of your brown sugar. Oh. She is 180 density, so she's not missing no meals. She's healthy. She, you know, thicky, just like me. And this hair is 26 inches, and I am 5'4". So if you want to, like, guesstimate how long that would be on you. So this goes to the booty. That big old booty. Let me touch on the booty. That big old booty. Yeah, it goes to my booty. So if you want to guesstimate, if you're, you know, first timer, ordering what kind of length will work for you, or, you know, whatever. I'm 5'5", 26 inches, 5'4". See, look, don't even know my height. 5'4", 26 inches. And one thing that I do love about Hairvivi.com is that they give you the choice of either having your wig or frontal already bleached and pre-plucked for you. So if you are a beginner, it's really good because you ain't got to do too much because ain't nobody got time to be playing with bleach and tweezers all goddamn day. That's just neither here nor there. My wig is already pre-plucked and bleached for me, and it has an elastic band on the back to, you know, keep security, just in case a bitch wanna sup, how bitch ain't going nowhere, huh? But I did go ahead and pluck it some more because of course they come pre-plucked, but I kind of want to customize it to my little peanut head so I can look like I'm mixed. Yeah. So if you're a beginner and you just now get into the wig world or a frontal, and if you are just now getting into the wigs and the frontal, you're late. But we're gonna help you. You know, that's what I'm here for, to help you. You know, move along. You know, where's your frontal? Not here, bitch, because you can't see it, but you get the gist of what I'm trying to say, huh? You know, get into your frontals, bitch. Them old ass leave outs is laid, girl, laid. And another thing, please don't go on this damn website, order some motherfucking hair or a wig or a frontal and get mad if your shit sliding the fuck back talking about, ooh, I can't do frontals. It's too much. I can't do a wig. You aren't doing it properly. You have to learn how to put stuff on your head before you just go purchase it. So it's not only about the hair, because this hair is good. It's also about you being able to do your goddamn hair every day. Period. Get you some. Got to be glue, baby. Spray her down and she'll stay. So don't come at me just, oh, Ashley, that hair ain't staying on my head and my frontal melted the fuck off. Bitch, shit your ass the fuck still. Shit. Wigs and frontals ain't for sweaty poolies, diving in the water, going to the gym. It's not for all that. You know, it's for bitches like, hey man, you know, it's for that. Okay? Getting to her. I just keep feeling it, but it don't matter because it's a hair video, so I can keep stroking on the fuck my shit. Can you go like this with your hair? Can you go like this with your hair? So don't, did she keep touching her hair in the video? Can you do like this? Like this? Like this? No. So when you can do that, then you tell me what the fuck to do with my hair and how many times I'm gonna run my goddamn fingers through it. Shit. And then another thing, don't come on my channel or on my damn videos or posts or nothing talking about the hair shedding, it's rough. Wrap your damn hair. Okay? Put heat serums on your damn hair. Put a bonnet on your hair. Okay? Don't just think you can just buy some hair and slap it on because it ain't yours. It's still human hair. You need to wash her every week or 2 weeks or so. Condition her. Everything that you would do to your hair, or some of y'all don't do to y'all hair, you need to do to this to keep her right, period. And that concludes this hair review, girls. This is a cute little everyday hair review for you guys. You know, the cute little site for you to just get your everyday hair, bitch, so you can finally, you know, get your shit together, because I'm tired of y'all looking raggedy on my motherfucking timeline. I'm tired of busted ass sleep outs, and I'm tired of knowing where the fuck your frontal is, alright? Just kidding, y'all. I'm just kidding. I just play. I just lie. I just play. But be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos, because we gonna get it popping around here, okay? I don't know what else y'all got on these other channels, but we about to be popping on my channel, girl. Popping just like this Hairvivi hair, of course. So yes, bye guys.